In this short video, I wanted to take a second and talk about topology. So here you can see that our mesh is completely made of quads, but this is not clean topology. And I really don't like to see stuff like this. It causes a lot of problems when you're sculpting. It can also cause problems in deformation. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up and make it clean topology like it is on this other side. So real quick, we're going to select our model. We're going to go into edit mode. And all we have to do to fix this, in this case, is merge the vertices. So if we keep going through, we can merge those together. Can merge those. Now that's clean. So we can go to this side, we can do the same thing. And now you can see that that cleaned that up. A lot of people say that modeling in quads is hard. It can be, but over time doing it, you get better at it. But I also want to stress too that it's not absolutely necessary at all times. There are times when you can model with n-gons. There are times when you can model with triangles. It really just depends on what you're going to be using the mesh for. In this case, we're using this mesh for sculpting. So because we're using the mesh for sculpting, we want to make sure that things are pretty much as clean as they can be. It's not absolutely necessary, but the cleaner things are, the easier things are going to be to sculpt. Let's take a look. Yeah, everything else looks good. I just wanted to point that out in this video to keep an eye out for things like that. And when you find them, go ahead and fix them. Because if you fix them now, then you can save a lot of trouble and hassle downstream. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.